Good morning, Internet. This is what I'm doing tonight. I'm going on a cruise. Some kind of yacht cruise. Like a day cruise, like a 3-hour trip out. Like a 3-hour tour, if you will. Oh my god, it's a 3-hour tour. Hope we don't end up like Gilligan. You don't know who Gilligan is? What the fuck? But yeah, going on a 3-hour tour, if you will. Should be interesting. I'm completely underdressed. I'm wearing like a button-up shirt with skulls on it and shit. Like it's like a high class, I guess, cocktail party. That's right. I'm gonna be the most underdressed person with my lime. I'm gonna be the most underdressed person with my lime green sunglasses. But also the coolest. Wow, I think I'm actually getting a little bit nervous about this cruise. Or maybe it was that entire pizza that I ate. One of those two. Who knows? I know, I didn't really eat that entire pizza. I ate half of it. Now it's go time to steal a boat. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's do it. Hey. Champagne. It's pretty upper class, to be honest with you. The things I do for my friends. Free champagne though. Can't go wrong with that. But yeah, it's completely upper class. Look, there's people filming too. Maybe they're vloggers as well. Nah, they don't. Doesn't this guy look like he's dressed for Harry Potter?
I am Harry Potter.
He's Harry Potter. Oh, Harry Potter.
I'm just 32 years old, Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
I'm the older Harry Potter.
He's Harry Potter when he's 30.